Ever feel like your Steam library is overflowing with games you'll never touch again? Maybe you downloaded something on sale years ago, tried it once, and now it just sits there collecting digital dust. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to permanently remove a game from your Steam library, not just uninstall it, but completely delete it from your account so it's gone for good. First things first, open up your Steam application on your computer. If you're not logged in yet, just hit the login button on the main page, enter your account name and password, then sign in. Once everything loads up, you'll land on your Steam home screen. From here, head straight to your Library tab at the top of the window. This is where every game tied to your account is listed. On the left side, you'll see your full collection. Scroll through the list and find the game you want to remove. Right-click the game title to open a menu. Start by going to Manage and select Uninstall. This step only removes the game files from your computer. It frees up space, but the game is still technically part of your account. A dialog box will pop up asking you to confirm uninstalling. Click to proceed. Now for the permanent part. After uninstalling, right-click the same game again in your library. Go right back to the Manage section. This time, choose Remove from Account. Steam will show a warning letting you know that this action permanently deletes the game from your library and your ownership. If you're absolutely sure, confirm the removal. Once you do that, the game disappears from your library completely. You won't see it in your collection anymore, and you won't be able to reinstall it without repurchasing or re-redeeming it. It's a clean final way to tidy up your list and get rid of games you don't care about, and that's all it takes. Just a couple of clicks and your Steam library looks cleaner already. If this guide helped you out, stick around for more easy fixes, account tips, and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.